Okay, it's Breadmanny. I'm in with the Alexandrines. This is Mr. Archer. Say hello, Mr. Archer.
Hello.
And that's Denny. Hey, Denny. Say hello. Denny. Denny's not as tame. And then we got Mrs. Archer over here. She's a bit of a biter. Mrs. Archer. Mrs. Archer. Here comes Denny. Where? Ooh, camera. Hello. Don't get in the camera's way. Oh, you said hello. What you doing? Hey? What do you want? Hey? Don't point the camera. Wait. How many times have I dropped the camera? What do you want? Hello? Okay. Say bye. Bye-bye. You say bye. Bye-bye. Oh, imagine that big beak. And you say bye. Bye-bye.